Everyone knows I love getting an email every week from Mike Cohn. He's just an awesome dude, and he's a great agile coach, and he inspires me, and he's definitely one of those people who I admire and look up to. He's just an incredible person and a great agilist. This week's email he sent, and it has an Olympic flair to it, which is not what I expected. It talks about how to get your team, how your agile team can compete in the Olympics. Was the title of the email. And it says, "Let the games begin. Are you and your team ready for the Olympics?" I hope so, since the games start tomorrow. Now, I don't know about you, but that opening ceremony was crazy. I had an opportunity. I was stuck on an airplane flying from Salt Lake City to Orlando, and I got to see the opening ceremonies. And what I can tell you is it was just weird. It was great, and it was very patriotic, but it was also very weird. But see how enthusiastic all those countries were quite awesome. Anyway, I digress. I want to share a few Olympic events at which I think agile teams would excel. This should be interesting. First are the speed events like swimming, sprint canoeing, the marathon, and short running events. The emphasis agile teams place on going faster and seeking continuous improvement will serve them well in competing in these events. Some of these events, such as swimming and running relays, require handoffs. Good agile teams become adept at small, frequent handoffs, such as from programmer to tester. This skill will serve an agile team well when participating in any type of Olympic relay. That actually makes sense. Good agile teams are also cross-functional. That is, individuals with different but complementary skills collaborate. Cross-functional agile teams would excel at the many sports that require different types of players, such as football, hockey, cricket, volleyball, and water polo, which happens to be his personal favorite. These sports include experts who are highly skilled in one dimension, but these single-function aces need to be balanced with skills of other team members. While a cross-functional Olympic team can include specialist experts, the team will benefit from multi-skilled members. These pi or M-shaped people are proficient at 2, 3, or more skills needed by the team. Sign these folks up for the triathlon, pentathlon, heptathlon, or even a decathlon if they're up for it. The best agile teams collaborate and synchronize their work. We see this when testers create test plans while programmers are still coding, rather than waiting for the programs to finish. Agile teams who have mastered collaboration and synchronization should look for Olympic success in events such as rowing or artistic/synchronized swimming. A team scrum master would do well by running the hurdles. Who better to clear the obstacles than that scrum master, right? And of course, good agile teams excel in delivering outcomes expected of them when in the time frame desired, right? Teams who hit the bullseye should give archery a try. Finally, I have to add that like all agile teams at some point to compete in the Olympics or compete in a training event if it's all possible, or trampoline event rather. Trampoline is just interesting to me. Shouldn't work be a bit more fun? And what's more fun than bouncing on a trampoline and winning a gold medal at Agile? What I can tell you is this is a great way to get excited about the Olympics. It's a great way to talk about Agile and how it coincides. But most importantly, it's a great way to uplift our spirits. And I think that in society today, with the way things have been going, with all the divisiveness and the things that are happening in our current everyday life, it's nice to get a lighthearted email from Mike to remind us that we need to look at things as they are and not as we perceive them. And we need to move forward on our Agile journey, that we should be making better progression. And we need to make sure that we treat Agile, our Agile knowledge and our Agile skill sets are just like a muscle. We need to work those. If you just sit there and let it completely whittle away that muscle, then you're not going to be good at it, and you're going to find that your Agile diminishes. So the more you do Agile, the better you're going to become. And that's going to do it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you have something you want us to talk about, and thanks again, Mike. If you have something you want us to talk about, reach out to us. Learn more at agiledad.com. We'd love to hear from you. As always, we encourage you to stay healthy, stay well, and stay agile, my friends. Until next time, do take care. Bye now.